that pop between gear changes, bro. What? Mopar or no car? Alright, I gotta get back into shape.
Between shifts. That is awesome to hear. Well, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in my JL Jeep Wrangler after doing the exhaust install. Hopefully you guys saw that video. I'll have it down in the description if you didn't get to check it out. But we are now rocking the Magnaflow Rock Crawl High Clearance exhaust. And so far my initial thoughts, I really like this exhaust system. Magnaflow also has a street version, so if you want to see the dual exhaust, I believe it is, rather than having it tucked up underneath the bumper, you have some options, which is really cool to see. But being that I love going off-road, that's why I went with the high clearance or the high tuck version, so that way it gives the rear end a nice clean look and I'm not going to worry about breaking my exhaust off hitting the trails. So my initial thoughts with this exhaust, when we did the install, I actually had the doors off, so I was able to hear it cruising down the road with all the doors off. Of course, in a Wrangler, you're gonna hear a lot more of the wind noise, but I really love the fact that even with this exhaust and the doors off, you can't really hear it. Now again, the wind noise kind of overpowers that a little bit, but if you wanna hear it, you can just give it a little bit of gas and you can easily hear it with the doors off. So exiting our driveway, we get to go uphill and you can actually hear it. Like,
oh yeah.
It's not there, but it's not quiet like the stock was either, which is good. Cool. And we have the doors off, so that'll really be able to tell how loud it is.
Ooh, it kind of reminds me of the Tacoma.
A little bit.
But softer.
Yeah.
I like that.
That's really good.
That's really nice.
That's cool, I like it. Now, one thing that is huge with a Jeep Wrangler or with an exhaust in general is the fact that being a daily driver, which this is probably most people's daily driver if they have a Wrangler, is the drone noise. And so far, there is no drone with this exhaust. And I really love that, especially with the doors off. You don't have an obnoxious exhaust that's just going to be there and you can hear it. So the end of this exhaust actually comes out on the driver's side, so it's directly behind me. I'm gonna say at least 5 feet or so. So it's impressive that there's no drone and I can barely hear that when we're cruising just at normal speed. So what I also love about this exhaust too is the fact that it gets louder the more you give the truck gas. Now obviously that would make sense, but if you compare it to like the exhaust on my Tacoma, it's a high tuck, it's a different brand, but it's a louder exhaust. It is so much louder. It even dumps on the passenger side as well. So the fact that you can hear it a little bit there and then we're up to speed and then it goes away. So I really love the fact that it's not loud and obnoxious. It's a really good exhaust for daily driving. Now the street version might have a different tone to it, but with the high clearance here, I absolutely love how this truck sounds. We'll go ahead and give it another acceleration. Also too, slowing down, I've noticed, just in regular mode, I don't have it over to shift with the shifter here, but in normal mode, you can hear a couple of the pops when you come to a stop. So let's go ahead and slow down here just a little bit. It almost just downshifts, or of course it downshifts by itself. But you can hear, like, it livens up the engine a good bit. And I like that. I don't like having a quiet vehicle. When I start it up, I want to hear it and not have it obnoxious, but I want it to be there and sound really good. So my overall thoughts of this Magnaflow exhaust, I love it. This is not my daily driver, but I like to drive it a lot. I am falling in love more with the Wrangler the more I drive it. This is just such an awesome SUV, and this is a great addition to give it that little bit of sound, make it aggressive. I have a lot more mods for this truck, and I want it to sound as good as it's going to look at some point. So definitely check out Magnaflow if you're looking for exhaust systems. They have a ton for any brand vehicle that you're looking for. But now let's go ahead and throw in a couple sound clips of this exhaust. If you missed the previous videos, let's go ahead and let you take a listen. Jeep wave. Oh, he didn't wave. He didn't wave. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed today's video with the new exhaust on my Jeep Wrangler. Stay tuned, we have plenty more mods coming for this build and I can't wait to see the finished product with whatever I throw on it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a huge thumbs up, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next video.